guys are the red guys.
You got it. Oh, almost got it.
Yeah.
Chew. Gotta
The
chew.
horny frogs and the
Oh,
Trojans.
stuck on your finger.
Oh, not bad.
There you go. Chew it up.
And the horned toads. Yeah.
He already talked to Wally when he was up on the roof.
Okay.
And everybody thought he was at the store.
Good girl.
Yeah, college kids, they pick their names. That's good.
Good girl.
Yeah.
Getting dark out there.
Right.
Yeah, it is.
It was a nice day.
You got one. All right. Chew.
Right.
Chew.
I think it's gonna fall
Yeah,
out.
well, we got the house mostly cleaned up.
Chew it. Chew it up.
Maybe all the furniture's back in the first place.
Chew it up. Before you stick another one in. Chew it up.
Yeah, our tree's still up. I don't know. With Valerie, you never know. It could be another month.
Well, I'll take it down before I go back to school. How's that?
Right. Yeah, sooner the better, as far as I'm concerned. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Well, it does too. It hasn't even lost any meals.
Did you want to read it? Sure. I'll leave it there. All right.
Okay.
Chew.
Well, I'll let you go because I got to start taking care of my dinner here. I will.
Where'd it go?
Okay. Bye-bye.
Did you want me over there? Yeah, I guess I'll go back to you.
You got it. Yeah, chew it up. Oh, see, she bit it in half with her little front teeth.
I don't think so.
Want that one making potatoes?
I think she'd do just fine with Cheerios on her own.
Some people might want to put that
I don't think she's gonna swallow it whole. She's gonna chew it up a little.
in.
Definitely got the chewing action.
That's your whole bowl of Cheerios all for you. Well, you're a big girl.
You're a big girl. Alright, we got 3 minutes of eating Cheerios. Probably enough. Oh, there it is. Chew on it. Did it fall out? No, she got it. Chew.